Morning, Steve Ray in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Hope everybody had a safe and happy weekend. Overnight, we've got beans and meal a little bit higher, corn unchanged, and wheat lower. Outside markets, gold continues to surge higher, and the dollar continues to drop. I think in the gold market, it's a movement of investors to safe haven, away from some of the uncertainties in the marketplace as COVID continues to spread and could impact global economy's recovery. As far as the dollar is concerned, lowest level since September 2011. Europe did put a stimulus package together, but it seems like Congress is slow in putting the next phase of a stimulus package together, which may be weighing on the dollar. As far as the grains are concerned, corn market at the lower end of a trading range, concern about a big crop here, more than demand. But on the positive side, we keep watching China corn futures rally significantly, and they keep selling feed out of the reserve, but it seems like maybe the demand is bigger than we are anticipating, or maybe some of their corn ground was impacted by the recent flooding. That flooding is abating right now, which is good news for the people in China. As far as the other side of the coin, domestic demand, ethanol, things like that, seems to be less than what people had hoped by now, and that offers resistance to market. Plus, the U.S. farmer has a lot of corn to sell both in inventory and new crop. In the beans, we're holding up near $9 on the September as China has picked up some of their buying pace. I think Brazil's out of the market, so we're hoping that China buys 1.5 million tons of beans a week through the October-Jan shipping period, and that could support bean prices. But again, weather-wise, I think we're going to grow a big bean crop, and so the carryouts should remain high despite China's buying. And we continue to trade up and down, depending upon if we're trading higher because of lower Russia and Europe crops, or if we're trading lower because COVID is affecting import demand of many of the big import countries. COVID could also affect domestic flour demand here in the United States, as restaurants are slow coming back, and some had to shut down because of increase of the virus. And so looks like kind of a quiet grain trade. Weather-wise, over the weekend there were some rains across parts of Minnesota and into Illinois. Central Iowa kind of missed some of the rains. The next 2 weeks forecast, the first week rains will be centered across the southern Midwest into the northern Delta and Ohio River Valley. The second week, it looks like there'll be scattered showers everywhere. Not sure if we get normal rains in the northern half of the Midwest over the next 2 weeks, but we don't really see much hot temperatures in the Midwest to stress the crops. We did have a hot weekend here in Chicago, but humidity's down and temperatures should be close to normal for the next 2 weeks. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day, and please treat people like you would like to be treated yourself.